off to dock in Ridgewood, where there is this outstanding medical practice called Complete Pain and Spine Institute. They specialize in minimally invasive solutions that treat the root cause of pain, whether it be your back, neck, or joints.
Dr. Ali, MD, is double board certified by the American Board of Anesthesiology in Interventional Pain Medicine and Anesthesiology. He has a dedicated medical team that specializes in comprehensive pain management solutions.
Oh, Polly, you're such a smart parent. And shiver me timbers, Beth, you're a genius too. The minute this boat docks in Ridgewood, I'm going to head to Complete Pain and Spine Institute.
And you know what? After you see Dr. Ali and your back pain is under control, you can have an even bigger part in the show.
Hello?
Hi, Mom. It's us. We're calling from the ship.
Oh, hi, sweeties. It's so nice to hear from you, but the connection isn't great on my end. How is the cruise going? Have you met anyone yet?
Hey, Mom, we're doing great. To be honest, the cruise is a little different than we thought. We believed we signed up for a regular cruise. Turns out, we're the greatest celebrity cruise of all time. There's a bunch of Trekkies that hang at the club every night. It's been quite a trip.
Yeah, Mom, I saw Jennifer Coolidge and the Giants quarterback Danny DeVito taking selfies at the buffet line. Oh, and there's this umbrella convention going on, and I saw a few Oompa Loompas walking around. Can you believe it?
I'm sorry, you're breaking up. Did you say you got Montezuma's revenge from a chalupa?
No, Mom, you're not hearing us. We're fine. We're fine. The cruise is great. The food is amazing. The only thing is they ran out of cutlets.
That's wonderful. You three always loved playing miniature putt-putt. Remember, my girls, you are strong, beautiful, fierce, and it's time to do your own thing.